Office District Tuberculosis Officer Bhoi lingba ka program Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan PMTBMBA Haka Khatsantrik Gulber Kalapalong Sashisen ye ka program sa Marbam lani ka Nutritional Food Basket Shaki Arpinyongut ki Nongpang TB kibala Ting Khun da ka Nizon Pipes and Structure and NTL Steel Private Limited Ringkat ka jingerap ni kinong tre jong ka National Tuberculosis Elimination Program kibala longkum kiniksha mitra ban penbiang marban ye ki arpunyongut kinong pang TB nakabenta nrubanay. Kani ka jingelang sam jingbam lalong ha Conference Hall Civil Hospital Nongpo batlawan bansam ye ki shang jingbam taymet lani ki Nutritional Food Basket da ka District Medical Health Officer DMHO Nongpo Dr. TS Momin. Kiway pat ki doctor ki bagantup ya Dr. Dibla Additional DMHO, Dr. E. Calving District Tuberculosis Officer, ki nong tre ki NTP, ki manager jan ki artli ki private company ki bating Khun ki Nongpang, bat ki kena puli BSW jong ka Women's College Shillong. Ka Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, kadai ka program ka bala shimkya dag Sarkar India, bala depan pli pat ba da ka President jong kari India ka Draupadi Murmu, Haka kendai terik unailar arhajar arpuar, banrat tingkong ye ke jingpang TB, hapo usnem arhajar laipo. Lingba kini ke program ke Sarkar ketemu ban penyo jengerap na kebenta ki bapang TB, bat haka juk kapor ban penclur ye barok ki nongshong shnong jongkari India nadu ki nong mikmat ki opisar ki Kynhun seng tremon ngobha beper ki riu shimet bakin pai kmat ban yerap syekitu ki bayo ke jingpang. Ban ai heki di kejingbam ki batei ya kamet kenang bikin yok kloi ke jingkwat jingkya. Kini kisong jingbam lajer kerteng di kisang jingbam taymet Nutritional Food Basket.
Support bagi yo ni kini mitre tingin ya trailang bagi wanra ban wanra ya ka TB free India namala dan ya trailang minum la ban le euro nadani ni yang naka department juni bangin le kat bagi la ro de la da pi ki Nongpang la ni ki pat ba pi ya sung thu ba pi ya wan shakhmat ban wan test le dia ban dup tip ba pi pang TB ni pi pang bagi yo ban ai di da wai yo ban test la da pi ya le ya kata ngirum la ban le euro la wa da ni lai ni hang ni ro Tawan na fi wan ngim la ban le telemba ka jinga trailang jong pi pat ba mangi ke department ba kini ki ba ki don kini ba wan ban yarap ini ngathai ngin sayo e kata ka jing thu jong ka Sarkar India ya TB free India how 2025 tetangkat ni. Thank you so much.
Carbohydrates and proteins which will help in curing the disease. Sometimes when we take the TB medicines the TB medicines cannot be tolerated if we do not have good food. So that is why Diksha Mitras are very important for giving nutritious food. And I would like to say that 174 patients have been already adopted through Diksha Mitras. So I would request everyone to like to kindly donate and to kindly have a heart for the TB patients who are mostly, especially for those from a poor background, as it is TB, as like our person from the Foundation has said that TB is it has no barrier, it can affect the rich disease, but we are the world has trying to eliminate this TB disease by 2030, but we in India we are trying to eliminate by 2025. So in our goal to fight this disease, the Indian government is giving free TB medicines, including for TB resistant cases. So and it has also started a program called the NEHU Mitra. And these NEHU Mitra are friends like our NEHU Private Limited, and now the TB program, those who are in the National TB Elimination Program, have also become NEHU Mitras, and I'm very glad, and let us give them a big hand. Congratulate all of them. I would thank all of them for the kindness, for the compassion, for all the TB patients. And the function of the TB NEHU Mitras are to give support, nutritional support to the TB patients. Like for TB